There we go. There's the crew.
Yeah, totally awesome. How's it going, bud?
Feet sink in the snow, we're marching up high. Grouch leads the way with a wink in his eye. Eric and Keith, they're right by his side. With radios and gear, our dreams will collide. Summit's not far, the wind's howling strong. Laughing together, been climbing so long. Cables and packs, we're not turning back. Friends and the mountain, our unspoken pact. Up to the peak we go, reaching heights where wild winds blow. Mountains echo with our cheer. Up in the clouds, our goal is clear. Snow crunch beneath boots, we push through the drift. No place we'd rather be, hearts feeling a lift.
We're in the second greenfield, inside of an unplanned vehicle, and I'm doing this on the AT with no external antenna, but whereabouts are you?
Past the frost and the grind.
Pack Monadnock with Eric N1JUR and Paul N1OG. We just hiked up, we just got to the top a few minutes ago. We're going to do a SOTA and POTA activation.
Laughter and shouts echo through the sky. Up here together we're mountain high. Up to the peak we go, reaching heights where wild winds blow. Mountains echo with our cheer. Up in the clouds, our goal is clear.
Why am I on lower?
I don't know, mode. Hold press the lower right hand button.
Give me 10 minutes.
November 1, Juliet United Radio, Park to Park.
Got that park to park, come back.
November 1, Japan Uniform Romeo, N1JUR, Park to Park.
Alright, park to park, I got November 1. Come back with the call sign again, because I was a little QRM in the back.
Roger, roger on the QRM. It's November 1, Juliet United Radio, N1JUR, QSL.
QSL, November 1, Juliet, Uniform Robert. Got you at a 4444 here in Battleship, North Carolina.
Roger, roger, the 4-4 out of North Carolina there. I got you about a 5-6 here into US 2662. That's 2662 QSL.
US 62, what was that?
2662, 2662.
Roger, US 2662 for the park numbers. Do you have our park number?
Roger, roger, I got your park number, and I got a couple of ops here as well, too, if you want to stand by.
This is Kilo Golf 4, right?
Yep.
Kilo Golf 4, Alpha Kilo Victor. This is November 1, Oscar Golf, and I am at US 2662. I copy the 4-4 signal report, and I'll send you back a 5-9 QSL.
I got the part number, and I got I think 5-6, but I didn't get your still call sign. Come back with the call sign again, please.
Roger, roger. Call sign is November 1, Oscar Golf, Norway 1, Ocean, Germany. QSL?
November 1, Oscar Golf, is that QSL?
Roger, 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 roger.
CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is November 1, Japan United Radio, N1JUR with N1OG and KC1OSX. OZK, sorry, at Miller State Park, US 2662, calling CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
Called you OSX on the
I keep doing it, man. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is N1JUR, November 1, Juliet United Radio, at US 2662, Miller State Park, calling CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
I never told him that. OSX is Steve. Who's around the corner from me?
CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is November 1, Japan United Radio, at US 2662 at Miller State Park, calling CQ Parks on the air and standing by. I got a Sierra Charlie again.
Kilo Charlie 3, Whiskey Romeo Hotel. This is November 1, Oscar Golf at US 2662. You get a fantastic signal, 5-9 into the park today, QSL.
Roger. You are also 5-9 in the state of Maryland, Mike Delta. And both of you guys
You want it, Keith?
Great activation, 7-3.
Stand by, last operator, sorry.
Standing by.
Yep.
This is Kilo Charlie 1, Oscar Zulu Kilo.
This is Kilo Charlie 3, Whiskey Romeo Hotel. You are 5-9 in the state of Maryland. QSL?
Yes.
Yeah, QSL on the 5-9. Also got you at 5-8 coming into the park.
2662.
US 2662.
Roger. Thanks for your activation. All 7-3.
7-3. This is N1JUR. QRZ.
Whiskey 4, Juliet Charlie Bravo. This is November 1, Oscar Golf. I'll send you a 5-5 and I copy the 5-9 QSL.
QSL, N1OG, yes sir. Good copy into North Carolina. Thank you guys for activating the park. QSL?
Yes, thank you for hunting. Stand by for the last operator.
Park to park. It's Kilo 3, Sierra Delta Mike. QSL?
Kilo 3, Sierra Delta Mike. Got you about a 5-7 into my park of 2662 QSL.
QSL, you're also 5-7 both ways. My park, Uncle Sam, 1254. Again, 1254. That's in Kentucky. Back to you.
Roger. Stand by for two other operators here. Got the park 1254 and passing you off the second op.
Roger, standing by.
What's his call sign? It is Kilo
3, Sierra Delta Mike. This is November 1, Oscar Golf. And I'll give you the same signal reports and same park numbers and all that. So appreciate you being there and appreciate the park to park, QSL.
Why is it always you?
I've got you 5-7 in the clear, 5-7 at 1254 Kentucky. Standing by for your third op.
This is Kilo Charlie 1, Oscar Zulu Kilo.
One more.
Kilo Charlie 1, Oscar Zulu Kilo. Clean copy, 5-7 into 1254 Kentucky. Thank you, gentlemen. Appreciate the threefer. Good luck in 73. Kilo. November 1, India, Papa Bravo. I will hold for the op, mother op.
Roger. Here's the second op, and there's two total. 3 total, whatever. Well, 2 outside of me.
All right. Good afternoon, Michael. Or sorry, good morning. Rather, it's not even noon yet. This is November 1 Oscar Golf at US 2662. Appreciate you being there and standing by for us operators. We're at the summit of Pack Monadnock. Over.
Well, you guys have a wonderful day out there in 73.
We'll take the sign
Kilo
down that says
Charlie
no fires
1,
and use
Oscar
that to start
Zulu
it.
Kilo.
Right? I have some dryer lint in my bag if you want that.
Hey, there we go.
Perfect.
I always carry dryer lint.
Gotta have it.
With a little
Good
wax
stuff.
and
That'll catch fire fast.
Yep.
November 1, India Papa Bravo. This is Kilo Charlie 1,
I have
Oscar
a
Zulu
little
Kilo.
tin that I keep in my bag.
Roger.
And it's soaked cotton that are light even when it's totally soaked. Yeah, it's great.
Having you guys out there. Have a great day. Have a good day.
Thanks for hunting, buddy.
USL 73.
It's Whiskey Alpha 3, Alpha Echo Papa, Butler, Pennsylvania. Whiskey Delta 4, Kilo Charlie, Alpha 8, Golf Juliet.
I got a Golf Juliet. Go ahead.
Alpha Bravo 8, Golf Juliet. USL, you got it on. Standing by.
Good luck, ladies.
This is Kilo Charlie 1,
All right, enjoy
Oscar
your day.
Zulu Kilo. Also got you at a 5-9 from the park. USL.
Copy to 5959 back at you from Ohio for all 3 ops, 7 degrees.
Appreciate you hunting, 73.
Where's it?
Kilo 3, Kilo November 9.
I'm learning here.
What was the
The
Kilo 3?
November 9 station. Go ahead.
Thank you. This is November 9, Echo Alpha Romeo.
Alpha Juliet.
Victor Echo 3, Sugar Radio Whiskey. Whiskey Delta 4, Kilo Foxtrot, Tango Bravo 7, Tango Golf Romeo.
Let's go with the Tango Golf Romeo. Why is he number? The Tango Golf Romeo station.
Kilo Bravo 7, Tango Golf Romeo. Whiskey Delta 4, Kilo Foxtrot Delta. Whiskey Delta 4, Kilo Foxtrot Delta. QSL? My call is Kilowatt America 4, Tango Lima Charlie, Roger.
Kilowatt Alpha 4, Tango Lima Charlie. We got somebody's cell phone going off here, and I'm hearing the an anthem. But anyway, yeah, we got you a 5-8 here into US 2662.
Thanks so much for the 5-8. You're 5-8 and Lima Charlie. Charlie, Roger.
Roger. Stand by for other 2 ops.
What did he give you? Did he give you a 5-9?
Yeah, I don't know. POTA never does anything with the signal.
Good morning, Ricky. November 1
Everything's a
Oscar
5-9.
Golf here, and great signal 5-9 into the park. Appreciate you being patient. And if there's no corrections, I'll hand you off to the 3rd op.
No problem. I appreciate it.
Perfect.
So I'm at 16. Do you want to wrap
Kilo
up soon?
Charlie 1, Oscar
ready
Zulu
whenever.
Kilo.
Okay.
Kilo Charlie 1, Oscar Zulu Kilo. Good morning to you, sir. You're 5-9 here in North Carolina, too.
Thanks for the 5-9 and thanks for hunting. 73, QRZ.
Victor, Victor with Woo! Use the 3rd op, Roger.
Give him
Kilo
3rd op is Kilo Charlie 1, Oscar Zulu Kilo.
I got Kilo Charlie 1, Oscar Zulu Kilo. What about N1's Oscar, Germany?
Oh, and well, no, she had
Yep.
to talk to him.
Yeah, the other op is N1OG, November 1, Oscar Golf.
And you talk to me.
Thank you much, guys. Thanks for working with me.
7-3, QRZ.
Kilo Charlie 3, Whiskey Kilo.
All right, we got a Whiskey Kilo station again. The Whiskey Kilo only.
Kilo Charlie 3, uniform Whiskey Kilo. Victor Echo 3, Victor Echo, Kilo Echo 4, Hotel,
There's a park to park in there. Go ahead, park to park.
Victor Echo 3, Victor Whiskey Bravo, Park to Park. Kilo 8, November Echo Echo.
All right, well, there's a park to park in there. Go ahead, park to park.
US 5-6, copying you about 5 by 6. I have all 3 part numbers.
What the fuck?
Roger, Roger on 5641, Kilo Delta 8, Juliet Foxtrot. Foxtrot, you got all 3 call signs, correct? Roger, 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 Roger. All right, well, thanks for the park to park. We're going to wind down here because we're getting blasted by the old mist net there. Appreciate all the contacts, and we're going to pack things up here before we have to head down off the summit. So appreciate everybody. Thanks again, and we're going QRT.
Perfect.
Spots. Let's get this stuff.
21 total. 8 park to parks.
Grouch of New Hampshire packed his gear. Eric and Keith, they were near. Summit's done and Sons of Bean, heading back down like a dream. Ham radio got its play, voices carried miles away. Success echoed in the hills, now for home through all the chills. Farewell to the mountain high, time to wave the peaks goodbye. Success in the air, they know. Pack it up, it's time to go. Echoes soft and clear, they fade. Friends beside on this crusade. Cold winds blowing through the pines, memories in their minds. Step by step they take their leave, laughing about the way